Hi MVP families, it's Mikey here. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do a slick back, center parted, low bun on thick curly hair. Begin by parting the hair down the middle. Then, brush the top of the hair with a smoothing brush or one with thick bristles. You can use water to help smooth it out too. Next, add gel to the top and front of the hair. You can dip the brush into the gel if you'd like, but applying it with your hands is fine too. Use the same brush to apply the gel evenly and to smooth out the hair. Don't forget the sides and the nape of the neck. Brush the hair as tight as possible before putting it into a low ponytail. Apply water onto the ponytail and use a regular brush to brush it through. And don't forget the ends. Applying water to the ponytail weighs down the hair, making it less poofy and easier to put into a bun. Next, twist the ponytail tight and keep it twisted while wrapping it around the base of the ponytail. Use a hair tie to secure it into place. Use open bobby pins that match your dancer's hair color instead of the regular closed bobby pins. I recommend getting hairpins made specifically for dancers because those are stronger than ones from a drugstore. Push the bobby pin into the bun and hair tie first before hooking it under and pushing it in. Ask your dancer where they think the bun is still loose and add more bobby pins accordingly. Use a hairnet after this step. Please use one that is the same color as your dancer's hair. Add more gel to the back of the head if there are any bumps. Brush it as close to the bun as possible. Take a smaller smoothing brush or toothbrush and lightly dip it into regular gel or edge control gel. Apply it to the hairline, brush it through, then smooth it out with your fingers. Again, also smooth out the sides and nape of the neck. Finish it off with hairspray if you'd like. That's it, we're done. I have suggested products linked in the description box below if you're interested. Thanks for watching!